Hi, I'm Paula Diana. Welcome to Food is Medicine 101 here at Diet for Living School, where we talk about foods that help fight chronic disease and allow us to live a long, healthy life. To successfully fight cancer using food as medicine requires that we take better care of our gut microbiome, because a healthy gut microbiome plays a vital role in a healthy immune system. And a healthy immune system is vital in fighting cancer. You might be surprised to learn that 80% of your immune system lives in your microbiome. The good bacteria in your biome and your immune system are intimately intertwined. These single-cell life forms are essential to digestion. If we don't have efficient digestion, we can't feed our immune cells. Underfed immune cells are weak cells that can't help us fight cancer. One of the most important things you can do to preserve a healthy microbiome is to consume probiotic-rich, unpasteurized foods. Today, I want to show you how easy it is to make probiotic-rich millet miso soup. In today's recipe, we will be using miso that is crafted in small batches and aged in wooden barrels in the century-old farmhouse way. This live food miso is teeming with friendly probiotics. So let's get started making a bowl of warm, healing millet miso soup. Okay, we're going to start our soup by putting it in the blender and blending it all up. So I got some water, 2 cups, and it goes. And then I have our wonderful South River golden miso millet for our soup. It smells wonderful. It's very dark inside, but it's got this wonderful earthy taste to it. And it really does great when it's all mixed up with all these ingredients, as I'm going to show you how. So we're going to take and make about a tablespoon of the miso, and we're going to put it in the blender. A little dollop there, and it goes. And then we're going to take some garlic. Put that in, 2 cloves. You could use 3, you can use 1. It depends on how much you like your garlic. In it goes. And then I have just a tiny little bit of bouillon. That's a vegan bouillon. And in it goes. Let me put the top on this and get it out of the way. That's all we're going to use is the tablespoon. And then I'm going to take and put just a little bit of lemon in. So let's see, I got my strainer. And let's get that in there. And I got my vegetable reamer, and we're just going to put a little bit of lemon in there, not too much, just to get that nice little hit of vitamin C in. Nice. Okay, that's about it. And don't worry, I'm going to leave you the recipe below, so don't worry about it at this point. And that's all we have going for this part of the soup. And get the top on and give it a nice blending. And here we go. And as always, I have my blender on 8. And then I have it on variable. I'm going to turn it up to high and get it really creamy. Okay, up it goes. Okay, that's all there is to this step. And then we're going to heat it up just a little bit, not, before the boiling point, so that we don't kill any of the vitamins and minerals in it. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, next I'm going to warm up the soup. We don't want to make it too warm. We want to just get it warm before a boil, because we don't want to kill any of the vitamins and minerals, as I just mentioned. So in it goes. I'm going to turn the stove on. And I'm going to get it down to low. We want to really keep it low. We want to protect all the vitamins and minerals in the soup. Let's see if I got that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay. I'm going to give it a little stir and just, I'm going to feel it every once in a while with my finger and make sure it's a nice temp. We're going to go just a little bit longer, but not too long. Yeah, nice. This wonderful vitamin-filled liquid. It smells great too. Okay, a few more stirs. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, I think that'll about do it. Let's just check one more time. Yeah, that's just right. Okay, I'll turn the burner off, and I'm gonna get my bowl, and I'm gonna build myself a bowl of soup. So I have some nice sweet potatoes, nice orange sweet potatoes. Let's get this out of the way here, get it just right. And I'm gonna put those in. There we go. You know, about this much. It's about a potato and a half for you. And then I'm gonna put some nice green onions in. Yeah, you can see how easy this is to make. And then I have some nice sea vegetables to make sure we get all of our minerals. We want to make sure we get our minerals. So in that goes. And then we don't want to put any salt in it because there's plenty of salt in the miso, a sea salt. So we're just going to put a little bit of Korean red pepper in. If you don't like it, this is really just optional. So in that goes. And let me show you what I have here. Just have this lovely little bowl of vegetables. Let's see if you can make sure you can see it. And then I'm going to take my ladle and ladle our liquid into it. In it goes. Yep. I'm excited about this. Okay, here we go. We have this gorgeous bowl of soup. Nice. Okay, get my spoon and give it a little taste and see how it came out. Oh, that tastes so healthy. Oh, yum. Oh, it's wonderful. Well, be sure to give this a try. I think you're going to really love it. Let me get just one more mouthful. Oh, I love that. Okay. Well, you'll have the recipe below. I sure hope that you'll try it for yourself. And I'll see you next time.